Right, let's look at how to draw this example. So the first thing that we have to do is to make things balanced, right? We actually need to get the height from the PP picture plane to the SP, okay, so that we can plan out things properly. So here they give us 110, okay, 110 millimeters. So let's measure 110 millimeters. So my starting point. Okay, let me make this my SP. Okay, this is my SP, my station point, and we're looking for 110. So right there is going to be my picture plane. Right, SP from there to there is 110. Then what else do they say? Then they talk about from the picture plane to the horizontal plane, 20 millimeters. Okay, that is the horizontal line. Let me get darker. And then they're talking about 70 millimeters from the horizontal line to the picture plane. Not picture plane, to the ground, sorry. To the ground. Okay, to the ground plane. Right. So those are the important lines that we need. Then from here, we can draw the given view, which is the top view. That's what we're starting with. So the top view, we start off with 45 degrees. Huh? So it has to be at a 45 degree. So we go 45, construction lines, 45. Then from there to there, they talk about 35. Remember, it's in third angle orthographic projection. Third angle orthographic projection, 35. Okay. 35. And then on the side is 70. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 35, 40, 50, 60, 70 is there. Okay, so somewhere I can darken it. Can also darken the side. Top view. No? Is it done? No. Then they say from the center, which I've actually drawn in, the 35. Then they talk about 25, 25, which is 50. So let me put the 25. My 0 is actually not, it's not faded. So I start at 35 and then I stop there. 10. And so this side. I'll stop here. Okay. So then there we go. This is our top view. Then what is the next thing that we need to do? The next thing that we need to do, we need to take all these corners. this corner, that corner, that corner, that corner, that corner, all these corners. So I'm going to start off with this one. And then we need to make sure that they join SP. But because I don't want a lot of lines, I'm going to stop at picture plane. Okay, I'm going to stop at picture plane. So from the SP, I'm going to stop there so that I don't have million lines. Okay. Okay, right. So these are the lines that I need, but whatever lines that I actually need, I will convey it. Right. And the next part that we need to do, we need to get the left vanishing point and the right vanishing point. So from SP, we take a 45-degree set square and we draw a straight line all the way to the picture plane. And then I do the same, this side, all the way to the picture plane. And at 90 degrees, I take it down. 90 degrees, I take it down. The same thing I do here. At 90 degrees, I take it down. Then at that point right there, okay, so I take it all the way to the picture plane. But where it touches the horizontal plane, where they touch the horizontal plane, that is where I'm going to have my right vanishing point, and then I have my left vanishing point. Right. Then I can now draw the front view and the top view. But I mean the right view. So the top view is already drawn. But if we look at the given view, they've only given us the top view and the front view. It means that we need to find the right view. Okay. So where they touch on the ground level, that's where I'm going to draw my front view. Okay. Now let's see. I'm going to use this 90 degree as my center. So we know that from there to there, it's 70. That means we're also going to get it here. 70 there. All right. Quickly drawing the front view. Okay. Now what else are they saying? 15, 25, and 10. So on this side, I'm going to do 15, 25, and 10. So now all I'm doing is just to draw the front view. So I can somewhat use the same lines. Okay, I don't want to draw inside here. So I'm going to somewhat do the same lines to take out the right view. Okay. Then from here to there and from there to there, it's 10. It means the top part is going to be 10. Okay. Right. Now let's quickly draw the finished product. Now we're shortening the middle part. The middle part, they say that angle is 45. That means, it's 90 degrees. That means I'm going to use my 45 from this point right here, and I just draw construction lines. Then I just draw construction lines where they two meet in the center. Where they meet in the center, that's where my drawing is going to be. Okay, so I've got my top view, I've got my front view. Now let's take out my right view. So on the side from there to there, they talk about 35. So what's half of 35? 17.5. So 17.5, 0, 10, 15, 16, 17, 1.5 there. 10, 15, 16, 17.5 there. Okay. Then my drawing starts from the bottom to the top. Also this side. From the bottom to the top. Okay, now if I look at the right view, right, it means this one, this line right here is going to be solid. It's from here, but from here it's going to be hidden. You can't see it. It's hidden, you can't see it. From the right view, that line is solid. From the right view, this line at the top here, it's solid. Right, so I was able to get my front, my right, my front, my top, my front, and my right. Now, let's start drawing. Let's start drawing in 2-point perspective. We are going to use this right vantage point and the left vantage point. Right, so P, which is here, my drawing is going to start there as P, the lowest point, as they indicated. Then I'm going to join the P to the right side, construction line. I'm going to join the P to the left hand side, right there. Okay. Right. Then, what is the next thing that we're going to do? Now, what do we need? Remember, this is where our drawing starts. We need the side. So we need from there to there. We also need from there to there. So now, where do they meet? So what we need to do, we need to, where they meet. Okay, so you see, we got these lines. However, we're going to take them down, straight down. We're going to take them down, straight down where they meet. So this one meets there. And this one meets there. Now we need to get the height. Where's the height? The height is right there. So from here to here is this height. Then where that height is, I also join it to the left. Then I also join it to the right. Can you see that the base is already out? Can you see that it's already out? Now let me darken it so that you can see what I'm talking about. Already it's out there. Already it's out here. And so more I can darken the height as well. And darken the height. as well. Then I can darken this side. Okay, then I'm going to pause, right? Oh, Somar, let me darken this side. Now I'm going to pause a bit before I complete it. Right, now from here to there, can you see from there to there? It's basically this side. So this part, we need to also get this from there to there. We also need to get it. So where is that? Where it stops? It stopped right there. Okay. Now let me complete this side so that you can actually see what I'm talking about. Right? And also this part on the side as well, which is that part. So we take this all the way down to there. Now that means we have this and we have that. Right? Now we need the height. What is the height of this? So the height, it's going to stop right there. Right? Which means from this corner to there, I'm going to take it out. That means from this corner to there, I'm going to take it out. Right. Now, can you see that the height now is out? The height is out. Today is out. And also, here today is out. And today is out. Okay. Right. Then what do we do? Can you see that it's also out there? It's also out up till there. Right. Now, where it stopped right there, what do? I take it out to that corner. I take it out to that corner. Okay. Now, I forgot about this one. Remember, we need to close it. So that means that corner is going to go there. Okay. Now, can you see that this side is out? This side is out. I was not supposed to. Just give me a sec. To the boo-boo here. To the boo-boo there. Okay. Did a boo-boo there. Why did I say I did a boo-boo? I needed to close this first. Right? I needed to close that first. Here I was correct, but not the top part. Okay. Right. Now let's close. I'll come back to this. Now let's close all these corners because my bottom part, I need it to be balanced and I need it to be finished. Now all those corners that are left untouched, we're going to pull it out. Pull it out to that. Also this corner right here, we're going to pull it out to RV. And then this corner right here, we're going to pull it out to LV. Right. Now can you see now our base is coming together? Can you see that our base is coming together? So more, let me close here. I hope you guys can see direction. That means where this stopped is going to go all the way to the top until it touches there. Right. So we are done with this part. Right? Now, let me erase this. Did a boo-boo there. So that's why I needed to first complete this so that we can see. Right. Now, why I said I did a boo-boo here, I did not consider this height. Now, where is that height? That height, I go to the center, is right there. That means I need to take a straight line up. So this straight line right here, which I didn't add, so that you can see. Can you see this line? Okay, it needs to be together with this line. All right, then we can take out that line with this. Okay, now you can see, now it's coming together. Now it's coming together. So this gap right here is going to stop there. So we're taking it out till there. Yeah, just extend it a bit until there. All right. Now that means that this corner right here has to be parallel to in line with that one. Now that means that this corner right here, I need to draw it out. All right, I hope you guys can see. Now my drawing is coming together. With that corner, all I need to do is just to darken it. All right, am I done? Nope. I need to get the center. Now let's see, where is the center? The center, this part, there's the center. So all I need to do, I need to take it down, where it meets this center, where it meets this. So this, I'm going to take it all the way to this line right here. So this line is our direction. Now that line right there, I'm going to take it to LP. LP. Now where do they meet? They meet there. Okay, so I take everything to the line, and then from that line I stretch it to LVP. Now I can see that my corner right here closes there. And then the nice thing is this one is out. So this gap from there to there, it's actually this gap from there to there. Then I just join these two lines. Okay, can you see now that part is out? Right, now I'm going to close off using this corner, that corner, this corner to the RVP. To the RVP. And so that one to the RVP. Just like this corner, I'm going to take it all the way to the RVP. Right, now from here, which is the end, from here to there. Okay, so in this case, that means this part right here is going to stop here because I'm getting it from this. So now all I need to do is from that corner LP and join this. Okay, and I joined it there. Now can you see that this automatically came out? Right there. Can you see it automatically came out? Now let's close off this particular one. How do we close it? How do we close it? We can see from there to there we used this. Now here already, see this line right here, where did it stop? It stopped there, it joined there. And also there, our drawing literally came out just with pulling the LVP and the RVP. Using this line where they meet, that line and that line, it came out. came out. And then all I have to do, I make sure that this line, can you see? This line is parallel to that line right there. Then I draw it down. And that is it. That is basically how our drawing looks like. I hope you guys understood what I was doing. Just using the LVP and the RVP, where this and that meet, where the front view and the top view meet. That's how it took out this drawing.